Hello dears! Woohoo! This is Julie Fior with a new hairstyle video inspired by Queenie Goldstein. Today I will have an amazing photo shoot with another beautiful lady and we will create like a Sister Goldstein photo shoot. Of course I am Queenie and I did makeup in peachy colors like she wears. You choose the golden and peachy colors dress, 20s styles inspired, and of course I did this hairstyle like I have as I have short hair, but you know my length of the hair near this, yes, near this, and to receive this result, first of all I tried a new set pattern, not new but I use foam rollers but on the wet hair. Usually I use foam rollers on the dry hair because when I use them on the wet hair I receive very curly hair, but for Queenie it was necessary, so I do this. And when I got up at the morning I understand that my hair is still wet, so I try to dry it with the hair dryer, and this is the result, and really I'm very happy with the result. I think it's one of the best and beautifulest hairstyle that I had made. Really, at the back you will see the result in the end of video. At the back, very beautiful waves. I'm so happy, very beautiful, really. And of course bobby hair I made by pins, so you will see all the process in the video and you will be able to create it by yourself. But before this I wanted to speak with you about your hair, because I received a lot of questions about your hair, that you couldn't make curls like my, that you don't know what products to use that will protect your curls, that will make your curls more better. But I have naturally curly hair, so really any set pattern will be okay with my hair, and I don't need any product, so I can't help you with the products or give you any other advices. One and the main advice that I can give to you, that you need to try on your hair different variations, different set patterns, different products, and choose the hairstyles that are made for your hair, as we can say like that, because I have thin natural curly hair, and of course I choosing the hairstyles that great on this hair type. And if I had naturally thin heavy hair, I can't do such hairstyles, or it will be more difficult, but I can do hairstyles with braids or with a big volume, because you know every hair is great hair, and you need only to know what to do with it and what hairstyles are better for your hair type. That's all. Let's start. Woohoo! So 22mm foam rollers overnight on the wet hair. After this I'm brushing my hair and create the side parting. starting to work with the biggest part and starting to create the beautiful wave, of course. For this I'm using different combs and brushes and help myself with the fingers too. When the wave is done, I starting to do my bobbed hair with hairpins. First of all at the one side and starting to do the wave on the other side, and after this make my hair bobbed with the pins. Checking what I have at the back, you need to make right direction of your waves, and this you can do with the hairspray and comb, maybe your fingers. You can see what I'm doing on the video to make better, greater shape. Done! Hope you like this hairstyle tutorial. Don't forget to like, follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials, vintage hairstyle tutorials. Bye bye!